On the shores where the sun greets the day, a day in the land where the rivers carve their way. We stand as one in unity and pride, from the mountains to the ocean wide. With 1,000 voices we sing as one, underneath the Southern Cross our journey has begun. From the highlands to the islands, strong and free. This is our land, our home, our destiny. Rise, Papua New Guinea, rise, with the spirit of our ancestors in our eyes. We are the heartbeat of this land so true. Together we stand forever proud and new. Rise, with the colors of our flag in the skies. In unity we march towards the light. Together we shine, together we ignite. From the Pacific to the shining shores of Milne Bay, through the valleys where the warriors once lay. We carry the torch, the flame of our pride, a nation born, standing side by side. We remember the struggles, the battles we won, the dreams of our fathers, the hope of the sun. With faith in our hearts and love in our hands, we build a future on the sacred land. Rise, Papua New Guinea, rise, with the spirit of our ancestors in our eyes. We are the heartbeat of this land so true. Together we stand forever proud and new. Rise, with the colors of our flag in the skies. In unity we march towards the light. Together we shine, together we ignite. Hold the drums of our nation, they call us near, to celebrate the freedom we hold dear. From the past to the future, we lift our song, in the heart of the Pacific, where we belong. Let the winds of change carry our voice. In independence we rejoice. With every beat, with every stride, we move forward with hope as our guide. Rise, Papua New Guinea, rise, with the spirit of our ancestors in our eyes. We are the heartbeat of this land so true. Together we stand forever proud and new. Rise, with the colors of our flag in the skies. In unity we march towards the light. Together we shine, together we ignite. From the mountains to the sea, this is our land strong and free. Papua New Guinea, we rise with pride and love, we touch the skies. Rise, Papua New Guinea, rise, with our voices lifted high. In the spirit of independence we stand tall.